I hope you had a great day yesterday. We had shared few of these calls. Let's go through some of the calls we had shared. We had shared Donkey 4460. These are all in futures 4460. Once it moves above, we had mentioned we're looking at target of 76. Market opened 4454. I mean, it was open basically open equals high, made a low of 4387, and I think around 3 o'clock it crossed our levels and made a high of 4480. So this, in fact, trade was just finished in about 20 minutes or so, and we had also shared a couple of other trades. IRCTC we had shared, but this did not get active. Dr. Reddy's we were looking to short. However, I think yesterday the market um, opened itself below 7.1. So this was not valid because price has to move uh, from the supposing the price, if you say sell, price has to move from the price from above the size which you have mentioned. So open itself was a gap down, so this was invalid. And Tata Chemicals, we were looking for put. Tata Chemicals, I think we had shared put. This got active, I think, on the second half, 980 put, and there was a good profit. In fact, it achieved more than the target. So, and in Bank Nifty, we had mentioned we were looking at 44,900, 44,800. We had mentioned. Okay, we had shared one trade 44,800. Right at the open itself, this got triggered yesterday, and from two triple two, it made a high of 300. In fact, that trade it got triggered twice for us, and we were able to make some profit in that. In the mid cap, we did try the 8,300 call above 30. We were expecting targets of 60, but they just made a high of 40 and hit our stop loss. So this was a trade yesterday. Uh, so today we are looking at in Bank Nifty, we are basically looking at 44,600 P as a hero zero. This once moves above, I think 75, we're looking at targets of 100 to 120. SL for this, we will have to figure out. In fact, we would be waiting to see whether this we can enter. Uh, Possibilities that market can open gap up. So based on price action, we should decide whether we will look at the put side or on the long side. Because if, however, on the put side, this is a trade I am looking at particularly. Uh, Market has been this is a kind of a trend line which market has been reversing back. I think only above 45 120 I might think of going long for targets of 45 to 50, and based on how the short covering goes, then we would look at 44 45 400 or so. So let us see, based on market price action, we will decide this and trade. Uh, for today, I think we are looking at Bharti, Bharti Airtel. Possibly, we might think of looking. We might look for shorts. So, uh, not a very clear trade seen on Bharti. We were maybe it may consolidate for some more time here. If you notice, it is kind of it's been consolidating here in this range, and we might not get a trade here, Dow. But I'm looking the market, the Bharti Airtel may consolidate for some more time like this and maybe come down once before any upside moves. On Divi's lab, we are looking for long side about 3659, and that we would have a look at target of 3680 to 72 to 75 to 82. Apollo Hospital also we're looking to short. We're looking at it to short below 8245 with targets of 8222. SBI Life, we are looking for a buy above 1308, targets of 1315. And Kotak Bank also be looking for buy 1890 for targets of 1905. Indigo also be looking if it moves above, moves from below and crosses 27 or 2723, then we're looking at targets of 2738 or 3538 plus. Escort also we are looking to short uh, possibly 2312 uh, 1 12.9 or 13 also. We would look at targets of 1304 to 1295. IGR we are slightly bullish above one. We're expecting bullishness above 496.6, and we're looking at Hindalco. Once this moves above 428, we would be expecting targets 430 plus. So let us see how market behaves. If you see Maruti has been really very strong. Uh, we did had mentioned there's a big expand, a move on this counter way long back, and I think there's still upside potential. Uh, it may, of course, face some big resistance at its lifetime high of 9958, I think. Hindustan Unilever also has been moving well. It has been trying to break the upside a couple of times. It is right now got stagnant. We may see some more downside before any upside moves. So if you're looking to short-term swings, then I think you should wait, add some at this prices, and then look for targets of 2740, 2760. Adani stocks, I am away. We're looking at opportunities to sell only currently, and IRCTC we are still bullish. However, on the intraday, we're looking at the short side. These are previous days levels, so do not look at those. But we would, you see, it is forming. It is not able to move above this line. So every rise seems to be a sell. Let us see whether it is able to break this subside, or we would have to look for shorts again. So thanks all again for joining us, and I hope you don't have any queries. We would be glad to help you. Earlier, I had queries on. We had the questions again on Suzlon. Let's look at Suzlon. Suzlon, I think I'm looking at this downside move, and then maybe another upside. May not be exactly 15, but yes, there could be some bit of a consolidation here on bit of downside, and then maybe an up move. Uh, let's look at Yes Bank. Some we had queries on Yes Bank also. Yes Bank is just been consolidating on this range. It made some nice up move and has been. I think would be some more down moves and maybe then a later upside. So thank you all again and have a profitable day. Another thing I want you all to observe is USD INR. Um, it is been trading at this range for some time. Any move above 83 can see some uh, price move towards 84. This, I think, also very can be quite crucial to our markets. Uh, the So keep your eye on this. And if you notice, VIX has been trading at lows. It has been trading at this range for some time. We are not. It's not been able to take any upside. So any move on the crude on the ups, I mean, sorry, on the India VIX on the upside, then our premiums movements can be also increased. Right now, it is more of a range boundish. Let's hope it moves up and you all have a